Welcome again, guys, to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today we're going to do some spinach. We're cooking some spinach with shrimp, and we're going to do a medley. We're going to have some broccoli in there, and we're going to also have some red bell peppers, some scallion, onions, and tomato with a little bit of ginger and some thyme. So let's get the shrimp in the pan and just get them sauteed for a little until they turn pink. Just get them in a single layer, just lay them all out. Then we're going to flip each individual, we're going to flip them over and let them cook on the other side. And give it a minute on each side, and then we flip it over. I'll be back. So the shrimp is already seasoned with some complete seasoning, and I have some hot chili oil on the shrimp of itself to give it some heat, and a little bit of bullion powder. So we start flipping them over as they become opaque. You just flip them all over. Just take your time, flip them all over. And once you flip them all over and the other side becomes opaque, you take them out. I'll be back. We just remove them from the pan. And in the same pan, you don't want to have anything dripping on the stove here. So just make sure that there's nothing. In the same pan, we'll add the onions, the ginger, everything. Just add everything in here, along with the thyme. A little bit more butter, because we have some butter and oil for the shrimp, so put a little more butter in there and a few drops of avocado oil. And then just let this do its thing for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it gets soft, we'll start adding our spinach. Just cover this and give this a while to do its thing, to release the flavors and let them all marry together. After about 3 minutes, we just add I'm adding a little more onion so that it will be nice and crunchy, and I'm adding the spinach. The spinach doesn't take very long. So now the spinach is in there. Since it's a medley, we just rest our broccoli on top. Just rest the broccoli on top. Broccoli is already blanched in some hot water. And we cover this, and we'll check it in about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll add our shrimp, and we're done. Oh, everything is looking fine here. So let's add the shrimp. Awesome. So this is our spinach medley with shrimp. Spinach medley with shrimp. You can serve this up with some white rice, some yellow rice, some plantains. You can serve this up with anything. So once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip with another quick and easy recipe. Bon appetit!